Posting a video on YouTube is very easy. I have, you will just go to your YouTube channel, just like on the picture. And then, you would go to your picture. And then, you would select your channel. And then you would go to the plus sign at the bottom. And then you would upload a video. Okay, now, it'll bring it to your photos, and you would select the picture. And then, you'd create a title, and then, you would add a description, just explain what happened, what's, where it is, and so on, because, people like to know those things. And, it may sound, it's easy. And then you would go to next. But before the next, you can add to a playlist. Like if you want to group them together onto health and etc., you can go to add to a playlist. And then you would go next. Okay, once you're gone next, and then, it'll ask you select the audience. Select the audience is, basically, is it suitable for a kid? And, you can say, yes, it's suitable for kids. And then you would upload. It's as simple as that. Once you have uploaded, you can always. Once you have uploaded, you can, after that, you can change all the settings and everything. So don't worry about that. You may make a mistake, but it is the first one.